Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Did you read what Mark Altman wrote?
It's a beta iron hurt.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
Did you read what Mark Altman wrote? There's no finger in finger sandwiches?
Yeah.
So your job is going to be not to move, right?
Yeah.
You ready? Get set. Pinch. You ever had lidocaine before?
No.
What?
Ready? Because it burns.
Don't move.
You feel it?
I couldn't move during my epidural. You could not move during this.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything is fine.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Pinch.
Oh, love it.
Here comes the burn.
You're a Marine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, son of a...
He's sorry, honey.
Breathe, okay?
He's like never ever like.
You gonna pitch me again?
You want me to hold his
Turning
hand?
red. You gotta breathe. Remember I told you two things. You gotta breathe and not move.
Yeah, listen, Lamaze. You were in Lamaze with me.
Lamaze, my... Lamaze,
Exactly, you gotta teach him.
You have to
Lamaze, my arm.
breathe.
Ready?
You gotta breathe through it.
Don't move. Ready?
Look,
Get
papi.
set.
Mírame.
Pinch.
Mírame. So breathe. And have a focus.
Son of a... I love my doctor. She's the best.
Breathe.
You gotta breathe through it. I'm just a little swollen now.
So,
Am I gonna have to take the rest of the day off? Sorry.
Fine.
so this is going to take away the majority of the pain. You are going to feel pressure, and you are going to feel when the suture goes through. You're going to feel kind of like it being pulled. It's going to be normal, but it's kind of an irritating.
Yeah, it's fine. Whew. Okay.
You're so weird. I swear.
And you have kids?
Yes, and they're just like him.
I was making them sandwiches. I should have let them starve.
You should, wherever you get your cheese from, just let them cut it.
Yeah, no, I bought this big ball of Gouda cheese.
Yeah, so it's probably